I used to only since 2010 till the day I'm using only speed only. Every time I'm watching speed videos only, and along with this textbook, everything. It was a great because each and every line of Bailey was covered with new updates. It's a good. So he will help me a lot. I want to thank him also.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute and team of Speed to Dr. Guna Bharathi for scoring a topmost rank of rank number 7 in all India and MCh ENT group and NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. And I also thank you for sparing your time to share your valuable experiences with us and also to the students watching this video.
Yes, sir. NEET is with me for more than 3 years. I have to spend time for the P team also.
Thank you. So, can we know a brief background about yourself from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. I am from Tamil Nadu. I did my UG from Government Welfare Medical College, Tamil Nadu in UG. And postgraduate, I did All India Institute of Medical Science, Patna. So post my MS, I did 1 year SRship in CMC Vellore, Christian Medical College, Vellore. Currently, I am doing fellowship in head and neck surgery in Christian Medical College, Vellore.
Excellent. Very good. Great accomplishment. Wonderful journey. Amazing journey, I can say that. Through all your
Yes,
hard work and perseverance, I think you have come up to this level. Best
yes, sir.
wishes
Sure.
to that.
Thank you. Definitely, sir.
And can we know why a super specialty after ENT?
The names have certain kind of means budget, so many kinds of things there. So you will get a lot of instruments and all, everything and all. I get a lot of exposure in head and neck during my MS period for A to Z of period, and along with the coordination with the plastic surgery team, surgical oncology team, we also did get. So moreover, I toward the head and neck period, I got so much interested in the PG period. So then only I came into okay, I will take head and neck my field. So it will be suit for me and good for me, and so I have great interest towards the field. So that's why I have joined a fellowship also.
Excellent. And you have done a fellowship, and on top of it, I mean,
I'm currently doing the fellowship. It's almost 1.5 years I have finished. Now currently I'm
great. So it's 2 years program.
yes, there is a 2 years program. 1.5 years I have already finished.
Great. Now, can we know? I mean, once you decided to do a super specialty, what all you did and what are your preparation strategy to achieve this topmost rank?
I want to tell you my prime preparation. I am using since 2023. But where I will tell NEET 23, I got rank 19. My rank is 19. My mark is 409 and I got rank 19. I used to only since 2010 till the day I'm using only speed only. Every time I'm watching speed videos only and along with this textbook, everything. And NEET 2024, I got rank 29. My mark is 461. I got rank 29. This time again I prepared very well. So I got rank 7 in that. So first time I prepared with the EAT videos and everything and that. But over the period I understood I have to prepare AIMS exam also. Then I watched your surgery videos also.
Oh,
Then I was more over towards the surgery videos. So I'm watching surgery, parathyroid, thyroid videos, and towards the gender surgery related daily updates. Whatever your videos I have watched everything.
thank you.
It was a great because each and every line of daily was covered with new updates. It's a good. So I'm watching both ENT head and neck videos as well as your surgical videos also for the general part of general surgery.
Great. Thanks for sharing, Doctor. And can we
Yes.
know number of questions you answered this exam?
The 149 question I answered. Only one question I left. That is too much percentage related. I don't want to take a risk for one question, but I have done 149 questions this time.
Great. Can we know what is about the paper about? I mean, what is the standard of this paper? Can you share something on this paper?
Yes, for sure. Actually, I want to thank to who took the question paper for this time because previously it's about more over ENT and a little bit of head and neck period. But this time they have more concern on head and neck also. It's like a practical aspect because already I'm doing a fellowship. So I am doing every Monday we are doing MDT discussion and all. So like clinical based scenarios. So better head and neck part also and ENT part also they're asking, but moreover it was head and neck related things, skull-based surgery related things, and moreover head and neck related things. So you have to concentrate both ENT and head and neck, and little bit of general surgery they touched this time also, not like AIMS. AIMS will go like anything the flow, but NEET has always the standard. We have to concentrate more on head and neck period also, and especially every person have to watch your video also for general surgery video because means thyroid they're more concerned about this time thyroid and parathyroid based on ATA guidelines. So we have to read Bailey and Love also. because these are rank decided. 110 question, everyone can write. Last 20, 25 questions and who are right. So if you want the rank that we have to go through the little bit of Bailey law also. There is one more book, Bailey and Nota Learning College review also is there, but we need gender surgery part also. Little bit they have touched this time, but we don't know what they are going to do in the next time onwards. So we have to prepare everything.
Right. So, who introduced speed to you, doctor, and what was your experience of preparing speed for this exam?
Sir, actually, my 2 years back, my UG senior, 3 years back, my senior got first rank in uh, MCH. He is currently doing SRship in, currently doing AP in Actract Mumbai, Dr. James. And
Yes,
so
yes.
he is using a sprint. He is my UG senior, 1 year senior after me. So he only told me to get speed and get trained with this. You don't go with others platform and all. Do the speed and read the textbook whatever you have written. This is so then that time I have started my preparations in 2023. Every time it goes nearby, but somewhat it's canceling. Then I understood I have concentrated more on little bit of tricky part. Like I told you, I have watched your videos, the general surgical parts and all. So it will confident. Sometimes they will go that part also and general part of the history also. So I have read this time. So little bit of mistake I did. Everyone will do the mistake, but we have to be the confident about some of the questions. We have to be very careful to attend the questions. And the very point percentage related questions, leave it. Don't take too much risk. You can take risk, but not too much.
Great, doctor. Now, what will be your message to the future aspirants?
You have to prepare, but you have to always wait. The time will come because my rank is 19 2023. Then I came to 29, my rank in 24. Then again get to 7. So I am working my process for the past 3 years along with the speed team. But you have to wait and prepare the confidently and get more of attention to new guidelines, whatever updating on because nowadays NEET also started the thing. Usually AIMS only will do the things and all, but nowadays NEET also will do things. But along with whatever updates coming with the NEET, that is more over helpful. Before exam, they will release whatever the new updates and what are the new criteria came and it will definitely will help and all. So along with you need one platform along with the textbook that is more than enough.
Great.
But wait until the table turns to you.
Can you repeat this once again?
Wait until the table turns to you.
Wait until the table turns.
Yeah.
It's a good one, actually.
And one more person I want to thank is speed team person. So usually he only will help me. I forget 1 minute. Selva.
Okay.
So maybe he is the coordinator, maybe in the Chennai circle, maybe and all. So every time I will the subscribe will go because I am doing preparation and all. So I will contact. I will his only. So he will help me. Lot. I want to thank him also.
Great. He'll be happy to hear from you for this video. So
Yes.
it's time to thank officially also. I mean, whom all you want to
Thanks.
that they helped you from day one till date. You can use this platform to thank everybody. There's no time limit.
Yes. Yes, sir. My parents, my friends, and especially Christian Medical College Vellore Head and Neck Surgery Department. Those people have helped me a lot, and my friends, my brother, my uncle's wife, and especially speed team and Mr. Selva also.
Great.
So I want to thank you also. Sir. Every time making the platform for 2 months, no one will give their subscription for 2 months for last preparation and all. So you are giving some instruction to your worker levels and all. So they are contacting me and helping me a lot and all. I want to thank you also.
In the idea of speed itself is this, that how many for how many people we can support and stand by them.
Sure.
And so that they can, it's not about achieving something, it's how the process to make them comfortable to achieve it. So we can stand by them at that period of time, and that kind of a moral, it's more of a moral and a support to stand with someone with you. So that is the role that speed wants to play. Speed does not
Yeah.
want to claim anybody's success. Speed wants to be a be a supporter of somebody's success. So, so that I mean, because we have all undergone this, we know what it is. So, if somebody could stand, we'll say, "Okay, I'm there with you." I mean, that's what.
Yeah.
And
Shoulder lifting.
shoulder lifting. So we say that then that gives a lot of confidence to students who are preparing for this process because all this is a stressful process. So once a
Yes, sir.
technical team and an expert team could stand to assist in the stressful process, and anybody can achieve it. So we are
Sure.
happy to uh, talk to you and to interview you and to discuss all this, and also and the kind of gratitude that you had, and it's amazing. And we wish you once again all the very best and all the success to go on. And the journey is beautiful. When I have listened to your journey, and it was so beautiful and amazing. Up, 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 and then you reached where you wanted. And once again, wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career, MCh at the next surgery. Best wishes to you.
Thank you.